Okay, today we're going to be talking about what are mortgage prepaids. It's not the most common question, but some people don't understand them and what they're even for. So I'm going to dive right in. To figure out how to calculate them, it's pretty simple. They're going to be all listed directly on the LE. They're going to be on page 2 and I think it's section F. Don't quote me, but they're definitely on page 2. You can find them there for sure. Now, what your prepaids are, they're basically they're upfront costs or fees. Maybe you could call them fees. They're upfront amount of money that's collected. It can sometimes be financed that need to get parked, typically in your escrow account, that your lender's gonna need to pay certain items. I often refer to this to my clients as priming the pump. There's gonna be a certain amount of money that's gonna be needed immediately for certain things. That can include things like your homeowner's insurance, your property taxes, the initial load up for the escrow in general for other payments, because the homeowner's insurance and the taxes that need to be collected there, those are going to be if there's going to be a fee due soon. So if your taxes are due or a large payment on your insurance is due soon, they'll collect that, and then they'll also collect the typical escrow, so they have a little bit of buffer there so you don't fall behind. And then sometimes there's going to be some small amounts of mortgage interest that's collected to kind of, like I said, prime that pump, so to speak, for the typical zone in between you signing for the mortgage and it closing, because there's technically a lost period of time in the secondary market. It gets real detailed there. But those are the core things. They're absolutely needed for you to make sure that your escrow and or any payments are going to be made on time. So the lender does that to protect you and obviously themselves. So to review, you're gonna go to the second page of your loan estimate. Like I said, I believe section F, and compare those and make sure they're accurate. Of course, talk to your LO, make sure that they have your documentation for your taxes and insurance, so those numbers are accurate. And after that, you can compare that with your other loan estimates. For more details about this and prepaids in general, you can go to our website. We will have a link in the description here, thelendingdictionary.com, and keep watching for more.